gonna do it. Alright, I'm getting there. So I had 1, 2, 3, and June 23rd and 8:45 at night in Atlanta, Georgia, USA. So let me clean her up first. I'm gonna move her, repotted her, and 8:48 at night in Atlanta, and I'm doing my thing. I'm gonna repotted this big girl, my other big girl, and if you can remember, I did not put yet the video when I was I get this one in the thrift store, this base right there. So I did and I tried to, and then I used for my planter, so it looks different. It looks something look different, and they're pretty good. Planters nowadays is getting so expensive, so you got to have like you know, like looking somewhere, thrift store, thrifting. That's what I would do, or I do it. Why not? And they